social media is very famous nowadays because of its features that makes it more convenient in getting information. Imagine you are just scrolling on your social media account and you saw a post that's not real but makes everyone worried because some people believed on what they saw on such social media. So here are some guidelines in being a responsible social media user.
If you saw a post and you feel those information are fake, don't share it.
Second, check the page if it is trusted.
Third, check the publication date.
Fourth, check the person who posted or shared that information if he or she is trusted.
And lastly, if you've proven that certain information is true and you can share it,